everyone, my name is Savannah and this is Brandon, and we are here at Cali Coast Barbershop in beautiful San Diego, California. We are here to talk about Twisted Up Comb 2.0, but before we do, Instagram plug at Vanna.
And you can follow me at BrandonF6 with 2 underscores.
Let's talk about the benefits. Twisted Up 2.0 has all the amazing benefits as the original, with one big difference. We have added more grooves to the center of the comb, so the user has a more efficient grip on the hair and can achieve the look twice as fast. Before using Twisted Up Comb, it's really important you understand your natural hair texture. If it naturally grows up, buy it now. But if your hair is naturally straight, it may not be as effective, but buy it now. Buy now. As you know, all black hair is not created equal, so let's keep this simple. For coarser hair textures, oils, pomades, and butters are going to be your best friend. We highly recommend Schwax Pommel, as well as Cantu Shea Butter. For softer textures, you're going to want to use holding sprays, holding gels to really hold the twist in the hair. We recommend Red One Holding Gel Wax, as well as Pump It Up Holding Spray. Again, these products are really for people with softer hair textures, or if you're having any trouble with getting the look you want with the comb, these products are magic in a bottle and will solve all of your problems. Now the fun really begins. There are a few different ways you can hold Twisted Up Comb. You can hold it like this, or like this. Before using Twisted Up Comb, you're going to want to assess your curl pattern, whether it goes forward or backwards, or you might just be blessed and you can do either way. Now let's get started. So you should know he has no product in his hair currently, and you can kind of just see the results from twisting and how the twists are clumping together and beginning to form. 2 products you are going to want to stay away from are going to be anything that is water-based, water, or creams. This is going to loosen the texture of the definition of the curl and the twist, and we recommend something that is going to make sure you keep that definition. This is the finished look, and again, there's no product in here. You can see it's very defined, but we are going to go ahead and add some more products in there so you get the full look. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of shea butter just to add some moisture to his hair. And then we're going to add a little bit of the Red One Gel Wax to add more definition and to really hold the twist and lock that is going to form with his hair. So you're really gonna just wanna work this in to make sure the product is distributed throughout the hair. There are 2 techniques that you can use. There is the twist and dig, which is really going to get to that root and bring the curl and give the full definition from the root. And if you have a more pillow type texture of hair, or just really thick hair that is hard to get into, there is the twist and flick, which is just going to bring the curl up. Does this hurt as I'm twisting the hair?
No, not at all.
Great. With these products, you're really going to achieve that definition, and you're going to want to do big circular motions over the head to really establish a consistent curl. So we are all finished up. As you can see, this is the finished look. And you can see the gel and pomade really added some definition. This is going to stay all day and not lose any sort of definition or curl pattern throughout.